Alright, hello everybody, welcome back to another video. Today we are going to be doing, obviously as you can see right here, Revell's F-15C Eagle. This is my very first, I guess you can call fighter plane. I really don't know anything about this. I'm just jumping head first into this. So, yeah, this is what the picture looks like. It looks amazing. I really got this because of the box art, to be honest with you. So yeah, let's just see what we got here. The features, it's a 16-inch length and 10 by 6 wingspan. If you guys also want to, let me turn that off. If you guys want to read this, go ahead, take a pause real quick. Here it is also. So this is a special Oregon decal, 173rd Fighter Wing. Okay, now I see. Oh, nice. So real quickly, this is a 148 scale. This is, I think, smaller than what I work with, because I do 124, 125 scales. But I mean, should be fun. This is 5 hours. I don't believe it. Everything takes me more than 5 hours. This is a level 4 and ages 12 and up. So this is what it would look like. I don't think I'll be putting the wheels on. I want to make it look like it's flying. So I'll just probably have like everything like this, but no wheels. Same thing here. What's the backside? Oh, the backside has the front picture by Revell. I don't know if I said that. Have all that. Side picture once again. What do we have here in the back? And the back is just, hey, there's me. Oh my god. There's that. So, let's open this bad boy up really quickly. And I'll be right back with y'all. Alright, the plastic is out. Let's get on with it. Let's move this box out the way. And here we are. Again, I should have just opened it, but whatever. We'll just keep it rolling. So here is, I don't honestly know, probably parts of the wing. What's this? I guess the base. Here's some rims. No, not, oh god. Some, I guess, the fan propeller things in the back that go here. Listen, I really don't know. Oh, it comes with a figure. Oh, wow. It does come with a figure. Again, I'm very, very new to this, so I don't know anything about planes and all that. Even probably, to be honest with you, I might not even paint this. I just might leave it all in this gray color, put it all together, and then put the decals on. To be honest with you, I really don't know. Here's the windows. Here's a bunch of other stuff for the cockpit area. Here is, okay, so we got three bags, but they're really big. Here's the stuff for the back, I guess, for the fans or however they're called. I really don't know what these are. Here's another figure, I guess. Him flying, but he doesn't have an arm right there. They broke it off of him, sadly. Or probably he only just uses, with one arm. I guess these are bombs. I'm not sure. Here's another base. The chair, I think the cockpit thing right here. My bad, the chair, the cockpit. This is big. I'm sorry. I'm thinking that you guys can already see from how the camera is, but no, it's like 10 times bigger than, the scale models. So this thing has 12 parts. I'll show you guys it all. Again, if you didn't see the colors, if I didn't show them to you, I'm sorry. You're gonna need flat black, flesh, gray, light gray, olive, green, drab, red, silver, titanium, white, yellow. None of these I have, but we'll make do. Here is the part list. You guys, if you guys are interested in that, keeps going. All the way down to number 75. So, again, there's 12 parts. Here's what they all look like really, really quickly. You see, this is where I thought this was a rim, but no, that goes there. To the back of the jet part. Cars passing by my house and all that. Hopefully you guys don't hear it. If so, I'm sorry. Oh, so his arm. What? Why couldn't you just put both of his arms? I don't know. Man, this is gonna be kind of a lot. Oh, I mean, hey, I'll probably paint him. I'll do it. I want to do it in this one, this Oregon 173rd Fighter, because it has the Eagle and all that. It just looks so much amazing than, honestly, this one. I mean, there's nothing wrong with this one. Whoever was flying this back, or are still flying this, if this is like even still in production, I don't even know. And then, yeah, this is where all 75 parts go. We got the wings, I mean the wheels and all that. Again, I'm gonna probably have it end up looking like this without the wheels and all. So this should be good. There's that. And the last thing is obviously the decals. Look how big this decal sheet is. I've never seen a decal sheet this big. Ever. Alrighty, so I just took it out of the box just for it to be a little bit easier to see. And yeah, look at this. It's a really nice decal sheet. We have the Eagle, the wings, the Oregon, I guess 173rd. The thing for it. There's what is this? The National Guard 75th, I guess, edition. Still this. There's these markers. I don't know what this is. To be honest with you, I don't know what any of this is. So I'm gonna probably learn as I build this. Maybe probably learn something new. What is what you know. Because honestly, I've never done a plane. I don't know anything about planes. And yeah, I'm doing scale model cars as well, and I don't know a thing about scale model cars. So it's a win-win situation for me. I get to learn and I get to build it. Oh well. But yeah. This is the F-15C Eagle. Again, I'm not sure if I'm gonna be painting it, because to be honest with you, it already looks the same color as it is. The only difference is, yeah, back here where the jets, I guess, go, the jet propellers and all that or whatever. I'll probably paint those and then call it a day. Because to be honest with you guys, I don't have literally any of these colors. The only colors I do have is flat black, red, silver, probably not even titanium, white, and yellow. All these other ones, I don't have. But hey, so yeah, that is the unboxing of this. Hope you guys enjoyed. I'll probably make a video on this sooner or later. Again, I know I did say the Dragster was the last one, but I did pick this up at my local hobby store, so might as well. Let's do something different. Anyways, thank you guys for watching. Peace. Alrighty, everybody, welcome back. As you guys saw from the last video, we are going to be building this F-15C Eagle by Revell. So obviously we're already here hand painting. We're not priming nothing, we're not sanding nothing. We're just already jumping into hand painting. So right here I am painting the black part, which was the rear cockpit floor. Just a little top part I had to paint was black. Also, the seat catapult I was painting, the rear canopy brace I was also painting. Um, all this you're gonna see here really quickly. It's also the front cockpit strut, the seat, the control stick, which I'm doing I think right here, or the actual other part, and the instrument panel as well. So right here in this part, I am putting everything that I just painted. I am just gluing it all together. I'm not gonna rename everything. You guys already know. Yeah. So right here, I am gluing the rear cockpit floor and the front cockpit strut as well together. And as soon as I finish that, I also do the left and right fuselage sides as well. So in this clip here, I glued the Gatling gun to the fuselage bottom, as well as gluing the left and right landing gear wells as well. And while I waited for those two to finish the glue to dry, I put together the fuselage top and bottom together. So after painting the exhaust nozzle, we're going to move on to the front nose, I guess you can call, the decals, which is the Eagle part, while we let the exhaust nozzles dry. In this clip here, I was showing you guys the gaps and everything of the front cockpit nose part of the area, but I was kind of dumb and realized that I had this upside down or backwards, and I didn't realize this at the moment, but literally right after this clip I fixed it and I realized it. So again, I'm sorry, just ignore this mistake of mine showing you guys the big old gaps of the body and the nose pit. Now I want to apologize here, but I forgot to record myself painting the pilot and the crewman. But in the picture here, I've set the pilot into the cockpit, and he looks really cool. Now everybody, we are getting to the end. As you can see here, I am putting the body decals onto obviously the body, and it's already been on. I'm sorry, I kind of did forget to hit record when I first started to do this, but yeah, so I'm gonna just show you guys everything from the next 3 clips of the body to the wing, and I believe the under part also. I'm not too sure, but I think it's just only the top part that I do. Alrighty, everybody, here is the final segment. Here we have, I guess, the flight attendant controller guy. He's all done. And obviously right here is the F-15C Eagle. Let me actually flip this. Alright, so here we have it. It is technically completed, but it's really not. All I have to do is the rest of these little small decals, like the nose steps and all of them. I gotta put them all around. I don't want to show you guys that because it's just really small details. Obviously, you can't even pick them out on the camera. But yeah, we are done. Here is the Oregon 75th National Guard. It is a really nice kit. Let me show you guys the backside also. Like I said, it's a really nice kit. I didn't get to put the wings on the bottom side. The instructions didn't really tell me to put the decals then this. It's kind of common sense, I know, but I wasn't paying attention, and I didn't really. I was just trying to follow along and try to fix everything because, for example, like I had to replace this because I had it backwards. I had it like this, but on this side, like an idiot, you guys saw. Obviously, there's some more gaps here that would need to be closed. Stuff like this, but it's whatever. I mean, all I had to do was just really hold everything down until the glue dried. It was whatever. The only hassle I really had were these things inside. I don't know what they're really called. I'll probably put it in like a text of what they're actually called, but those were the only things that actually gave me a problem. Other aside that that's really it. But yeah, again, I don't know how actually real the bombs are. I just did them like this. This is like the only custom take that I like. I know probably the real missiles or bombs are not gonna look like that. I had the guy in here as well, the flight controller guy, or maybe that's the flight control. I don't know. I don't know. But I have him in there. He's as you guys saw in the first part, I didn't do too much detailing and all that. I don't know how to do all the detailings of an airplane or fighter jet plane, whatever. But yeah, so this is it. This is it. Kind of hold on. Here's my hand. It's really, really, really big. I'll probably put up dimensions again in a little text annotation on the screen. And yeah, so thank you guys so much for watching. I do hope you guys enjoyed this build as much as I painstakingly had to build this. But yes, so I'll see you guys in the next model. I don't know when, but I'll see you guys then. Peace.